Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to writing. Today, what we're going to be doing in writing is just making sure that we have finished all of our writing for this week. Now, our writing this week is for a grade. I am checking your writing to make sure that you have a beginning, middle, and end to your story. I am checking that you have your characters and your setting in the beginning of your story like we did together. And I'm checking to make sure that you added some sparkle words into your writing. So, I want you to go back and check and make sure that you have done all three things. 1, you have a beginning, middle, and end. 2, you wrote your characters and setting in your first sentence. 3, you added sparkle words. So I am taking 3 different grades for your writing today. So go back and make sure that it is good to go. And then I want you to take a picture of your writing and upload it and send it to me because it's for a grade. If you need help, ask your parents to either dojo me a picture or email me a picture because I have to have a picture this time. So go ahead and make sure that you've done what I've asked. And when you finish, you can free write today on the next clean piece of paper. Free writing, you can choose anything you want to write about in your journal. Be creative, maybe make up a whole new fictional story, a made-up story, or you can write a story that's on your heart map. Either way, all you're going to be doing today is finishing your writing from this week, taking a picture of it and posting it, and then work on free writing. Go ahead and get started.